Hey, my lovely friends. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today we're gonna build something seriously special. It's your Dream Wicked for Good Christmas house. You'll get multiple choices, one house, and just a few seconds each round to decide your vibe. Oh, and comment every choice you make as we build. Okay now, deep breath, winter magic on, let's start building. Round 1, build your wicked Christmas house. First things first, which wicked Christmas house are you calling home this winter? Would it be this Elphaba one, the Glinda one, or that Nessarose one? Man, everything is just awesome. I couldn't pick just one. Next up, which one of these living rooms would suit your vibe? The Wizard's one, Bach's favorite, or the ultimate Christmas living room by Madame Morrible? Which fireplace keeps your house warm and has the aura of a main character in Winter Arc? Can't be Christmas without a Christmas tree? Here we go! Lingerie and mystery like the Wizard's, tall and elegant like Glinda's, or straight up Nessarose's vibe? Pick fast. Eyes on the presents. Look from the outside. Which do you want the most? Would you rather? No presents at all this year? What an absolute nightmare! Or like this video and try to be a good kid. If you still believe in Christmas magic, yeah, you already know what to do. Moving on, which Santa do you want to show up at your wicked Christmas? Sweet legend or slightly unhinged wizard energy? All right, who's guarding your front yard? The one that Elphaba just created? Or Fiyero's one? Or that little boy Nessarose built with all her heart? Okay, be honest. Which wicked Christmas event sweater are you choosing? Wear this absolutely disgusting, ugly, itchy Christmas sweater all day long? Or skip the pain and comment below the gift you actually want and manifest some holiday magic instead? If you choose to comment, drop the name of the gift and wish for your dream to come true. Back to business. Which wicked character do you want to be your own elf on this Christmas holiday? Which drink are y'all choosing? Morrible's cold soda, Glinda's magic bubble tea, or the Wizard's suspiciously matcha? Choose wisely. Okay, now, let's pick a wicked vibe sleigh for yourself. Which one would it be? Next up, choose your candy cane. Sweet, striped, glowing, cursed. Yeah, candy canes aren't innocent anymore. But anyway, choose it. Choose your task between comment on your favorite wicked character, comment your birth date, and comment your country and your name. Come on, say hi to the Quiz Slice family all around the world. Let's see. Oh, ornament. Which one are you choosing to hang on that Christmas tree? Comfort check. Choose your Christmas socks before your feet catch a cold. Socks are ready. Now it's slippers time. These can decide your holiday mood, so choose carefully. Tiny wicked world in a snow globe. Which one are you shaking non-stop? Final bite, cute masterpiece, or chaotic snack destruction? Round 2. Would you rather Wicked versus Zombies? Dawn of the Vampire. Which one is the most adorable duo in your opinion? Victor and Nova as a lovely Nightwalkers and Daywalkers couple, or pure Oz romance energy like Fiyero and Glinda?
The bells all chime when you snow angel.
If you lost your memory, which movie would you rather watch first? Wicked for Good or Zombies 4, Dawn of the Vampires?
For the better, because
If you wanna go, it's going down.
Which song would you save in your heart forever, in your opinion? A joyful, carefree song like Dancing Through Life, or a dreamy, magical love moment like Dream Come True?
You'll be happy to be.
never met someone like you.
Which friend would you rather have by your side? A loyal zombie bestie like Zed, or a powerful, kind, and misunderstood witch like Elphaba?
When you can't see the light, you gotta be the light. And on this pitch dark night.
And so it will be for the rest of my life. And I'll want nothing.
Which dream house feels more iconic to you in your opinion? A sparkling pink palace like Glinda's dream house, or a bold, mysterious modern mansion like Nova's dream house? Spot the three differences within these two images. Incredible! You found them all! Which song carries stronger confidence energy in your opinion? A fierce, full of attitude anthem like "Don't Mess With Us," or a bubbly, iconic pop moment that owns every room like Popular?
Hey, step right up if you wanna go. It's very sure to be very, very popular.
Who would you rather date in your opinion? A dramatic, charming ruler full of secrets like the Wizard, or a loyal, brave heart who fights for love like Bucky?
I think everyone deserves the chance to.
Which pet would you rather have in your opinion? An adorable, loyal puppy following you everywhere? Or a brave, legendary, cowardly lion guarding your side? Which side would you delete if you absolutely had to? Erase the entire magical world of all Wicked movies, or wipe out all Zombies movies? This one hurts either way, so which universe are you brave enough to sacrifice? Which side are you on between Willa and Elphaba? A fearless wolf leader or a courageous misunderstood witch?
All you want, we know what you've done. You're not welcome out here. Who's won some, she wins it.
Which song feels more like a perfect day escape in your opinion? One Short Day, or Like the Zombies Do?
The sage who sagely sailed into sea.
All you got to do is give an inch, then we gon' take it to.
Which dream house would you rather live in your opinion? A futuristic zombie style like Zed's dream house? Or a romantic Oz mansion like Fiyero's one? Which couple gives you stronger emotional pull in your opinion? A tragic, complicated bond shaped by spells like Bach and Nesseros, or a fearless modern love that survives every battle like Zed and Addison?
They laugh, we'll say, we're gonna be someday.
Which world would you rather experience live on stage? A legendary Broadway-born magic universe through the Wicked musical? Or a massive crossover concert like the Worlds Collide tour?
You'll hang with the right cohorts, you'll be good at sports.
Well played. That was pure Wicked holiday energy. Your Christmas house is officially built, magical, dramatic, and totally you. If you had fun, tap like, subscribe for more dream builds, and comment your final house vibe below. Until next time, stay magical and keep quizzing. Quiz Slice out.